to the Burwell Museum. This is quite an unexpected pleasure for us today. This sadly is our last open day of the season. We've had a couple of events. I think it was David, you contacted the museum a couple of days ago? Sure. Oh yeah. We didn't even know they were coming. The guys here are the young'uns. I believe they're well known to some of you. I've looked at some of their videos on YouTube at the Shrewsbury Folk Festival. It was amazing. Behind them are some young ladies and gentlemen who look terrified, who've actually been at a singing workshop at Burwell House. And Sean, Michael and David brilliantly have offered to come this afternoon and give us and you some entertainment. So can you please put your hands together for the young'uns and their victims?
Thank you so much. What an unexpected treat, because we didn't realise we were going to have an audience. And they certainly didn't realise they were getting on too. So, thank you so much.
When we first did one of our singing weekends 10 years ago, we went to a museum and we performed to about 30 stuffed badgers. So these are only up for us. Let's start the song and feel free to join in with this one. Apart from you climbing other rooms about your singing, but everybody else, yeah, very well.
So I think what we're going to do is...
John's moved.
I'm just...
Well, we're all moving now.
I'm just going to tell you we're going to sing John Ball, everybody, as a sort of warm up, and then Kate will speak. This song was written in 1981 to mark the 600th anniversary of the Peasants' Revolt of 1381. And inspired by the words of the radical priest John Ball, who said, "When Adam dug and Eve span, who was then a gentleman?" And the chorus, which we'd love you to sing along, is "Sing John Ball and tell it to them all. Long live the day that is dawning. I'll crow like a cock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning."
That's the case, Matthew. Who'll be the lady, who will be the Lord, when we are ruled by the love of one another? Who'll be the lady, who will be the Lord, in the light that is coming in the morning? So sing John Ball and tell it to them all, and long live the day that is dawning. I'll roll like a clock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning. Eve is the lady and Adam is the Lord, when we are ruled by the love of one another. Eve is the lady, Adam is the Lord, in the light that is coming in the morning. Sing John Ball and tell it to them all, and long live the day that is dawning. I'll crow like a cock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning. All shall be ruled by fellowship, I say, when we are ruled by the love of one another. All shall be ruled by fellowship, I say, in the light that is coming in the morning. Sing John Ball and tell it to them all, and long live the day that is dawning. I'll crow like a cock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning. Labour and spin for fellowship, I say. Labour and spin for the love of one another. Labour and spin for fellowship, I say, in the light that is coming in the morning. Sing John Ball and tell it to them all, and long live the day that is dawning. I'll crow like a cock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning. Sing John Ball and tell it to them all, and long live the day that is dawning. I'll crow like a cock, I'll carol like a lark, in the light that is coming in the morning. Where to next, Mr. Cooney?
Okay, so as Clive said in that lovely introduction, we've been our home this weekend has been Burwell House, and these great bunch of people behind us have joined us for a weekend to hear some concerts, to learn some songs, and to sing together. And the main focus of the singing this morning was learning one of our songs, which tells of the events of the 4th of October 1936 in the East End of London, when maybe up to as many as 100,000 people went to the East End to stand up in solidarity with the Jewish people of the East End and prevent a fascist march through the streets of London in what went down in history as the Battle of Cable Street. So we're going to sing that for you now.
Well, he needs to know where I'm standing.
So your group over here.
My group here. I think this is the quality group over here.
That's your bit, Clive?
I don't think so. What are we doing? All perfectly choreographed as well. That's a good On the 4th of October 1936, I was only a lad of 16. But I stood beside men who were 80, and every age in between. We were dockers and teachers, busmen, engineers, and those with no jobs to do. We were women and children, equal in union, atheists, Christians, and Jews. And we had so much to lose. For with Hitler in Germany, Franco in Spain, we knew what fascism meant. So when those became trampsing, denouncing the Jews to the East End of London we went. And left refugees who had fled overseas, Germans, Italians, and Jews. And I knew their despair for what they'd seen there, and I couldn't let them be abused. We had so much to lose. Now 3,000 fascists, their uniforms black, had set out to march on that day. And 6,000 policemen intended to greet them by making clear the way. But we were ready, our nerves they were steady, 100,000 in mass. And we planted our feet along Cable Street, and we sang, "They shall not pass." We sang, "They shall not pass." Then all us young lads, we were sent to the side streets to stop the police breaking through. And with swift hands we made strong barricades out of anything we could use. And they came to charge us, but they couldn't barge us with fists, batons, and hoops. With as good as we got, we withstood the lot, for we would not be moved. We would not be moved. day I stood and London stood with me. And when the news spread, the day had been won and Mosley was limping away. There were shouts, there were cheers, there were songs, there were tears.